BandLab versus StarMaker. Which music app is better for your creative flow? Choosing the right app can transform how you create and share music without the hassle of complicated setups. Both offer unique features for musicians and singers. BandLab and StarMaker are popular music apps but serve different purposes. BandLab focuses on music creation and collaboration, while StarMaker centers on karaoke and social singing. The core difference lies in BandLab's production tools versus StarMaker's performance and community features. BandLab is a comprehensive music creation platform that lets users record, edit, and mix tracks directly from their devices. It offers a cloud-based digital audio workstation with multi-track editing, virtual instruments, and a vast sound library. Users can collaborate in real time with other musicians worldwide, making it ideal for bands, producers, and solo artists who want to create professional quality music without expensive gear. BandLab's strengths include its intuitive interface, free access to advanced tools, and seamless social sharing options. However, it may require a learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with music production. The app is perfect for creators looking to compose, produce, and collaborate on original music, whether at home or on the go. StarMaker is a karaoke-focused app designed for singers who want to perform and share their vocal talents socially. It provides a vast catalog of popular songs with lyrics and vocal effects to enhance performances. Users can record solo or duet tracks, join contests, and connect with a global community of music fans. StarMaker's strengths lie in its easy-to-use singing interface, social engagement features, and real-time pitch correction tools that help users sound their best. However, it is less suited for original music creation or detailed audio editing. The app is ideal for casual singers and enthusiasts who enjoy karaoke, want to improve their singing, or engage with a lively music community. BandLab and StarMaker cater to different music needs. BandLab excels in music production and collaboration, making it the go-to for musicians who want to create original tracks and work with others. It's perfect for those who prioritize songwriting and mixing. StarMaker, on the other hand, shines as a karaoke and social singing app, focusing on performance and community interaction. It suits users who want to sing popular songs, participate in contests, and connect with fans. The trade-off is between BandLab's depth in music creation and StarMaker's focus on vocal performance and social fun. Choosing depends on whether your priority is producing music or showcasing your singing skills. Choose BandLab if you want a powerful, free music creation and collaboration platform with professional tools for producing and sharing original music. StarMaker is the better choice for singers seeking an engaging karaoke experience with social features and vocal enhancement. Both apps serve distinct purposes, so select the one that fits your musical goals and start creating or performing.